but أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I bring you special greetings from the Gambia. Before I deliver my speech, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister of Trade and Tourism for giving us a journey through the culinary journey of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania, and also exposing us to the cultural and traditional heritage of Mauritania. So thank you very much for the introduction. Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister of Trade and Tourism, Mrs. Zainab Min Ahmed Dana, Minister of Trade and Tourism, the Honorable Minister of Culture, my own very good brother, also the Minister of Employment and Public Formation, the President of the National Tourism Federation, senior government officials that are present here, the Diplomatic and Consular Corps, the Director General, our own elegant sister, Madame Jalo, and her staff, my own permanent secretary, who's accompanied me, Aminjai, our own Director General of the Gambia Tourism Board, Madame Aida Jane Jai, the Director General of the Senegalese Agency for Tourism, Dr. Adam Njai, and the staff accompanying him, representatives of the sister countries that are present here also, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, the press, as well as the security boys and girls. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I bring you special greetings from the Gambia, and it is indeed an honor for us to represent the Gambia in Nouakchott for the inauguration of the first International Tourism Forum of Mauritania. On behalf of the government and the people of the Gambia, I warmly congratulate the Islamic Republic of Mauritania for hosting this important gathering. Tourism is one of the most dynamic and catalytic sectors of the global economy, connecting cultures, creating jobs, and driving growth. In the Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa, it remains central to our development, supporting livelihoods, empowering women and youths, and promoting cultural exchange and environmental stewardship. Distinguished excellencies and delegates, this forum provides a valuable platform to share experience and strengthen cooperation and collaboration between Mauritania and sister countries. Both our countries have rich tourism assets. Just look at here. This is an asset which is valuable and has the potential to deliver strategic benefit. If we strategically leverage on these assets, we can enhance regional competitiveness. As African tourism profile continue to rise, we must deepen this cooperation through joint marketing, harmonize standards, and improve infrastructure. Together, as sister countries, we can create seamless regional experiences from Mauritania's dunes to the Gambia's riverbanks, offering visitors a truly diverse West African journey. The Gambia is ever ready and remains committed to sustainable and inclusive tourism and to partnership that deliver shared benefits for our people. I commend the government of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania for convening this forum and fostering dialogue and cooperation to strengthen partnership and position our region as a leading global destination. In closing, I would like to thank you, Honorable Minister, your government, for the warm hospitality and the excellent facilities that has been provided to our delegations, and reaffirm the government of the Gambia's commitment to continue to strengthen the strong bilateral relationship that exists between the Gambia and Mauritania. And I do hope and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this forum will elevate and achieve cruising altitude. So we congratulate you. Thank you very much.